Hi there. This is a tutorial training session on how to use the City of Mississauga's OpenData portal. First of all, what is OpenData? Well, the common definition of OpenData is that a piece of data or content is considered to be open if it is free to use, reuse, and redistribute. Also, OpenData is structured data that is machine readable, so this means no PDFs. The City of Mississauga's Open Data portal can be found at data.mississauga.ca. Once you get to our portal, you will see this. There are two key functionalities here. The first one is the search function. So if you know what you're looking for, or you have an idea of what you're looking for, you can just go ahead and type it in to the search bar, and it will bring you to that specific dataset. The second thing to point out here is categories. If you're not sure what exactly you're looking for, you can use the categories to browse different topics, or you can also see all datasets by clicking on that option at the bottom of this page. As an example, let's say you are interested in learning about our business dataset. So you type in businesses in our search bar here, and it'll take you to this page of our business directory dataset, where you can see all the businesses in Mississauga that are in our business directory. There are a few features to point out here. First, you'll be able to explore the dataset without having to actually download the data by using the map viewer at the top of the page. You can zoom in, zoom out, search the dataset, as well as for specific data points, and even filter the data, all right here in this map viewer at the top. Second, each dataset has a description. So if the description is one line or multiple lines of text, it's a good summary of what data you're going to be viewing and using. The third thing here is attributes. So all of the attributes that are within that dataset is laid out in the attributes section. So you are able to see right up front what you're getting in the dataset. The final piece here is there is an About section on the side, and you can get a little bit more metadata for the dataset if you're interested in that as well. Everything we've looked at so far has been in the Overview tab of this page. So let's now look at what there is in the Data tab. Here, before you even download the data, you can explore the data. This is number one. You can filter and scroll through the dataset to make sure this is what you're looking for. The second thing, which is the most important piece here, is that when you decide this is the dataset you want, you can go ahead and download the data. Most of our datasets currently in our Open Data portal have a spatial location associated with them. So you'll be able to download a shapefile, KML, at times a file geodatabase, as well as downloading it as a spreadsheet. Some datasets do not have a spatial component to them, so you would be able to download a text file or a spreadsheet of their data. Either way, there are a number of different formats for you to download your data in. If you are working on something and you don't need or require downloading the dataset, you can also link through an API. Downloading data unlocks a world of possibilities, so go ahead, take a look at our city's Open Data portal and all the datasets that are on there, and have fun creating, learning, and exploring. If you have questions, please contact OpenData@mississauga.ca.